Range Rover Sport SV Black is a luxury SUV with a 180-mile-per-hour dark side. This is not just an SUV. This is the Range Rover Sport SV Black, a 620-horsepower missile wearing a tuxedo, dipped in carbon, and baptized in pure performance. And no, you're not dreaming. This monster is real. It's fast, it's loud, it's dark, and it's coming for blood. What started as a limited-run collector's dream in 2023 has now officially entered the Hall of Production fame. The Range Rover Sport SV is no longer a unicorn. It's a full-fledged beast that you can actually buy, if you've got the guts and the wallet. And it's not coming cheap. The SV starts at 139,995 pounds. That's around $182,000. But if you want to go full villain mode, say hello to the SV Black. 154,975 pounds, or over $210,000 of luxury-coated brutality. Under the hood, a BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. Yes, a BMW engine in a British war machine. We're talking 626 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, and 0 to 60 in a jaw-shattering 3.6 seconds in SV Black trim. For context, that's faster than a Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. It's up there with a Lamborghini Urus. This thing weighs over 2.5 tons, and still moves like it's late for a heist. But this isn't just a straight-line sprinter. Oh no, it's got 6D dynamics. A wizard-level suspension system with hydraulic dampers and no anti-roll bars. The whole SUV drops 15 millimeters in SV mode like it's getting ready to fight. Braking, carbon ceramics. Wheels, optional 23-inch carbon fiber. Weight savings, 41% lighter than standard alloys. This thing floats like a luxury cloud and strikes like a ballistic missile. Inside, it's Range Rover luxury turned up to 11. Body and sole seats with haptic feedback, sub-pack tech. Leather so smooth you'll think it was printed by angels, and every digital toy you can imagine. This isn't just a car, it's a luxury concert hall on wheels that can outdrag a supercar. Still not enough? Meet the SV Black. Narvik gloss black paint, forged carbon hood, black calipers, gloss black quad exhausts, and 23-inch forged wheels that look like they were forged in Mordor. Inside, ebony Windsor leather, illuminated tread plates, a cabin so blacked out it absorbs light. And performance? 180 miles per hour top speed, 3.6 seconds to 60. It's stealth. It's savage. It's the SUV version of a SWAT team in Armani suits. This isn't just the most powerful Range Rover Sport ever. It's a rolling contradiction. Brutal, yet refined. Elegant, yet unhinged. It's a production car now. But it still feels like it escaped from a secret military garage. If you've got 200 grand burning a hole in your pocket and zero chill in your soul, the SV Black is calling your name.